Hey fellow riders, I have a quick fix for slipping handlebars on the Iron 883. I just learned this trick from one of the YouTubers that I watched, and I'm going to show you that trick right now. As you can see, there's no knurling on the handlebar, so I have to fix that. The trick on drywall screens, which will give you the knurling on the handlebar. I cut two pieces here, one for each side, right here. And right here, I can create that forced knurling. As you can see, I put the drywall screen, tying down the bolts, and that handlebar is not slipping anymore. Good luck.